Hey everyone, welcome back to Fiscal Voyage. I'm Felix, and today's video, November 19th, trading journals. So I took 3 trades, all of them in IWM, and it's a losing day. Lost close to $300, and it's about 1.5 hour. So hopefully tomorrow I could get a 1.5 hour, and then it's basically back break even, and then move forward from there. So the first trade was here. So first we did the zone on the previous day high and previous day low. As well, we have pre-market high here. Let's go over here. Pre-market high is marked and pre-market low. Trading view, I don't use the first 2-minute bar because it's always extended. So I just move 402 and use whatever is 402. So this is my pre-market low here. You can see here how it bounced perfectly off that pre-market low. But anyway, so the market had ripped off the morning. First we go to SPY. You can see here actually it did the same thing with the pre-market low, and then it ripped higher. A good opportunity was basically right here, but the previous day high was right there above it, so I didn't take this trade. It was very nice. It broke, retest, a bottoming tail right in there with the entry above here and a stop right around here, and that definitely been a winner, but didn't take it because the zone was right above it, so avoided that one. So what I did was wait for a pullback, and then I saw IWM having a pullback, which actually was pretty strong, but since the whole market, QQQ SPY was strong, was thinking the market was gonna have a strong update today. It broke the previous day high strong, and even if you look previous day, chopped around in the morning, but it did go higher. So then it consolidated over the night, and then it went higher. So I'm expecting, it broke the previous day high. We get a pullback into the 5-minute EMA here, the 13 EMA, and expecting it to go higher. So what I did, so once it broke the 2-minute 13 EMA, I wait for it to close above the 2-minute 13 EMA. So it closed right here at 10:34. So what I did, I put my entry right here, right above this red candle, and then my stop right around here. So expecting a move at least back to the high of day. But this move here looked good because it didn't trigger me in. It was a red bar, and then it had a bottoming tail. So I was like, oh, okay, this looks great. So then it triggered me, and then it pulled right back. So it was an instant stop out in basically 2 to 4 minutes. Right here is kind of where I got stopped out. So if you can see here, this was about 10:36. So we go to my order fills right here. 10:37 is where I got in, and then 10:39, so about 2 minutes I got out. So that took a full loss, a 0.9 R loss there. So the next trade, so I basically wait because now it entered the pre-market range, so I don't take trades during the pre-market range. It has to be outside the pre-market range, like how this was. It was above the previous day high as well as the pre-market high, so everything looked good to go higher. So that's why I took that trade. This trade was a mistake, the second trade here. So basically, if we look here, I got in right in here. So you can see here, this was 11:38. And right here, right here, 11:39 is where I got in, and 11:57 is when I got out. So you can see right here, I got in, and then it started nice, but then it had a bottoming tail, and I was like, oh crap, and then that stopped me out. So why it was a mistake is because the 15-minute didn't close under. The 15-minute didn't close under. I was impatient. The 10-minute close, the 5-minute close under, and then I saw this 2-minute topping tail right at the pre-market low. I was like, oh, this looks good. So, but next time I'm just gonna wait for the 15-minute to close, and if it does go without me, I just wait for a pullback to then go lower. So that's gonna be my next. That's how I'm gonna run this going forward. I'm just gonna wait for the 15-minute close, because then this next trade I waited for the 15-minute close, which was this bar here, and I got in right here at 12:16. So you can see here 12:15 is when I got in, and this one was a half half R winner, and this one was about a 0.7 R loser on this trade because I was moving my stop, because over here we have some rejection, over here we have rejection, so I moved my stop right above this bar, and then we came here, then we had another little rejection, so I moved it like a penny or so lower. This was about a 0.7, 0.8 R loss compared to a 0.9 R from my last trade. But it would have been definitely a full stop. As you can see here, it ran higher. But then this one here, I got in here, and then it was chopping around. You can see how the pre-market low was making resistance because the 15-minute finally closed under. So now we have sellers taking control under the 15-minute, and it was chopping around. So I was a little nervous because my stop was kind of like right around here at this level, and I thought maybe kind of like right there it was my stop, maybe like around a few pennies higher, like around there, and I thought, oh, it's gonna hit me because I was down maybe half an R or 0.4 an R. So I was thinking it was gonna stop out again, and that'll be the end of the day for me. 3 trades and that's it. But it did move lower here. So once I saw this, I was like, okay, great, we're moving lower. But then the bottoming tail, and it's like, crap, here it comes. And then the green bar closed above the 2-minute, but it was still under the pre-market, which looked good. And then I saw also the 5-minute EMA was catching up, so that was good. So it actually caught up, and that's what brought it lower. So I hit my 1R target. My 2R was about, I think it was around here in this level. So that was my 2R target. So I hit my 1R, so I went to break even, but then it stopped me out at break even with the rest. So so that was that trade. Another trade that I was looking at was Tesla during the day. This one would have been a good trade here, right here. I didn't take it because I didn't see it. That would have been a lovely trade. We have the 15-minute close above the previous day high, which was basically, yeah, 15-minute. Well, that was after the fact, but this one looked real good. We have the 2-minute 13 EMA right here, as well as the 5-minute. We have the previous day high and the pre-market high right there for support. We're gonna break and retest. It would have probably been a half R winner or a break-even trade, but I didn't take it because I didn't see it. But those were my 3 trades on IWM. So you can see here, I'm negative $300. I will, it's just part of the game. Tomorrow I'm looking for hopefully good continuation, good price action, which this was really good here. It's just I made a mistake here not waiting for the 15-minute. So it would have been if I removed this trade here, it would have been about a maybe a half R loss, which is no big deal. Even this one is no big deal, but we'll get it back tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like the journals. So I'll be posting videos every day, win or lose, and tell you why I took the trades. More for me to become a better trader and journal these trades. And thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.